Every time I'd walk out of the back shop and look down, it was down a driveway, I'd see this blue color, and it was junk. But the blue color kept catching my eye. It's like, I need to do something with that. So it kind of spawned from there.
But basically, this is the combination that was in his car. It's a 509 big block Chevy, still a conventional head, little motor for what we're trying to do, run sixes. It's got a turbo 400 behind it. I'm in the process of gathering parts. We're gonna build a new engine and transmission and swap in here. And you get your stuff back.
That's right.
But we were able to keep the stuff separate. So he's gonna put his back in. He has all of the Holley Dominator in his car. So in your Nova. So he's gonna plug that all back in, get this back. And then this has all Holley components. So it's got the Holley Dominator, the Pro 600 box, which is great for the drag and drive stuff. We actually took it up to Jesse's garage in Bowling Green, and Ryan Whitty from Holley came by the shop and helped us get a bass tune and some good stuff so we could head to Sick Week earlier this year.
The thing's gone 205 miles an hour out of a shoebox. That's pretty impressive, out of junk.
So it's been pretty cool to figure out like the different kind of tables and things like that that we can build in the Holley.
The Dominator still blows our mind.
It's cool.
Yeah, parts are a little bit hard to get, but when you get those parts, it'll be basically the same combination, just a little bit bigger and a little bit faster.
A little bit more refined. Yep. So we're gonna probably do Sick Week on this combination. That way we can get testing and actually start the season off good. This is going to be a very similar combination. We're still gonna do conventional head, big block Chevy, still probably a little bit of a small motor, but.
And the idea of that is that when I hurt my motor, I'm gonna pluck yours out for a while.
He had that planned a little different.
Yeah, that's why we're keeping the architecture the same, so I can borrow your stuff.
I figured if we ever had this engine hurt, we could take his stuff.
That's literally the plan.
Okay.